We got a windy day on deck for us, arguably a high impact weather day for us. We already have some warnings in place. High wind warning for 2 p.m. this afternoon through 3 a.m. on Thursday, really hugging the I-25 corridor and the adjacent counties. So Teller County, El Paso County, all the way down south to Trinidad there for some very gusty winds that we're going to see this afternoon. So we'll flip through the forecast here and go through what we can expect. But the why behind it, we just have the perfect setup for us to see this. So here's the upper atmosphere and what's going on currently at the moment. You'll notice I got the height lines on the board here. We have an upper level trough, but then also if you notice this light blue onto the map there and the tight lines, the tight pressure gradient there. So in the upper atmosphere, the winds are moving very fast into the jet stream. We call this a jet streak. And when this comes closer over us and goes over the mountains, it's perpendicular with the mountain ranges. It really picks up the wind speeds that we're going to see, and it's going to mix down to the surface. Now, speaking of the surface, if we go to the surface map here, we do have a cold front that's also draped to the northwest there. This is going to also move in our direction too. It really just fuels and accelerates the wind speeds that we're going to see at the surface. It's also going to bring with it a little bit of some showers to the mountains, maybe an isolated one here too, and also just keeps it turbulent into the overnight hours. So here's what we got on deck for us in terms of the wind gust today. It's going to be a really gusty one. You're not going to want to be outside, especially as you get to the afternoon time. So pretty calm to start this morning. We get some isolated gusts, but once we get to lunchtime, especially along I-25, we're seeing some 40s, some 50s, even 60s on the board there. Now into the western and high terrain and also to the eastern plains, the winds are going to ebb and flow throughout the day. But what you're going to notice is that it stays pretty strong and consistent along I-25. So if you're in this area here, that's why we have the high wind warning in effect for those places. That's where it's going to get dangerous. Things can blow, can cause power outages, all sorts of things like that. And you'll notice this continues even into the overnight hours before slowly tapering off as we get to the early parts of tomorrow morning. And even this time tomorrow morning, when I'm standing in the same spot, we'll probably have some of those wind gusts that are lingering from today's event. Now here's the high temperatures for today. I bring this up just to show that it's going to be another warm one out there, another above normal day for us, into the 50s in Woodland Park, 63 in the Springs, 70 in Pueblo. But again, it's not going to feel like 60s and 70s. You're not going to go outside and be like, oh, it's warm, because it's going to be blowing all over the place in terms of the wind. Now stormcast for the day, we do stay pretty dry if you're along I-25 and east to the plains. The mountains could see some snow showers today, especially along I-70 throughout the afternoon time and into the evening. Now as the cold front gets closer to us and pushes through, that's where we could see some spillover energy along the interstate here. We could see some brief isolated showers into the Pikes Peak region, into El Paso County before getting out of here. Very, very brief showers. And as that cold front pushes through, we'll go to the highs tomorrow. We start to take a dip in temperature. Still above normal for this time of year, but into the 40s in the Springs, 53 in Pueblo and along the Arkansas River. It will feel cooler, but it will be a tad calmer. So let's go moving forward though, what we can expect beyond this wind event. So very high winds today. It will be a warm one. Dry conditions at the surface, red flag warning in effect. But as we move forward in time, you'll notice this gets out of here. This is what's going through today. Behind it, another westerly flow setup. So with that being said, temperatures are going to continue to climb and be above normal. And I think we continue to have some breezes, maybe not as strong as today, but I think the breezes stay with us, especially as we go into the weekend. So here's how this plays out on the 7-day forecast. Let's notice here, windy today. We pull back the temps tomorrow. The westerly flow comes back into play. Friday, we're back into the 60s and 70s, a warm start to the weekend there, and then it continues to be above normal even into the top of next week, which starts Christmas week, by the way. Now here's what we can expect in Colorado Springs. It's the same pattern, the same trend, very windy today, pulling back the temps before we start to climb in temperature. So here's a look at the 10-day forecast. Christmas week is looking very warm. Alrighty, that's a look at your forecast update. Back to you at the desk.
64.